What window colors are timeless? Whenever I answer questions like that, I say I'm a guy, so I'm answering like a guy. There may be women that will completely argue with me. White is always the safest color, in my opinion, because it works with everything. You can have white against wood, you can have white against paint, you can have white against, you name it, and it's almost a universal color. Now, if you ask me what's the popular colors, oh, that's a whole different story. Black inside and out is huge, which we offer black windows inside and out, and it's incredibly trendy and popular right now. When I first started back in the 1980s, bronze was incredibly popular, and I watched in my time frame of doing this, bronze go from popular to completely out to back in to back on its way out again. So I would say 80% of the windows we sell are white because they'll work with any color inside and outside. And we replace windows in houses that were built in the 1900s and the 1950s and the 2000s and the 2010s. And so the white windows most accommodate all the different color schemes that all those houses offer. But you're not limited to white. We have several different colors for the outside. We have several different colors and wood grains for the inside. And we usually can find something that meets every customer's expectation.